Hey guys, so today I want to walk you through my process of creating budget sheets. So I like to start kind of like in the middle of the page because I'm making the table and then I'm going to move it over to a different program. So here, the first column that I like to create is the monthly bill. So what this category or this column will be exactly what their bill is. The next column is the amount. The next column will be the due date. And then I like to use my budget sheets as I like to be able to review them every month. So I have a starting balance and an ending balance. And I like to be able to go back and see what months were more productive, what months did I knock down more debt, which months uh, did I knock down the least amount of debt, and be able to gauge it and analyze it from that point of view. So right here, I will put the starting balance and the ending balance. And then I like to click in the first cell and just eyeball it, gauge it about 20 to 25, and then come down here and I'll click so that it highlights this whole area. And then go up to here to borders and then all borders. So it gives me this. So this is a great like basic template, basic. I have a lot of people that send me requests to do budget sheets and they just want this basic outline. So this is what I do. So now I put my cursor again, start in the first column and highlight this entire table. Command C if you're on a keyboard, if you're on a Mac, and Windows C if you're on a PC, and then come over to a blank Google Words document. All right, here we'll just type August 2024, and then I like to page right down, and then under that, paste and paste unlinked, and then there is my table. And I like to make sure that everything is on one page. I like to add in, some artwork, make it fun for the month. So image, I'll do a little fireworks and then resize the image. And then, you can center this or use this however you would like. That looks really good. So for somebody that sends me a request for a budget sheet or a budget planner that's just the basic layout, this is what I would send them. And then I do have people that request, specific, they send me their bill list. And so they want me to put in like their car, house, daycare, medical, food, things like that. So then in that case, I would just enter them all in this column. Again, just copy and paste the entire thing. And from here, I like to go from the end of the image all the way down, delete it, and then just paste the new one. And then, of course, resize, make sure everything is on one page. This will print on one page. And then I just hit Control P, and it will go ahead and print in a PDF for me so that I can either print out and compile into a, uh, a budget notebook, or I can send the customer the PDF or whatever digital file they would like. So that is how I create budget sheets. So now you can either create your own, or if this feels like too much of a process, go ahead and message me and order them. You can message me by order. You can order them by messaging me directly, or you can go to my shop, turicocreations.com, and order them there. All right, thank you. Hope you guys learned something and hope you all have a wonderful day.